to another stitch tutorial. Today we are going to have a look at the Tunisian mesh stitch. Now if you are unsure how to do a base, I will link down below the previous tutorial to help you out, or hopefully help you out. Wish somebody could help me out with this yarn bath. Heck, we get there in the end. Okay, because I am going to I'm not going to explain how to do the base, I'll just get to it. I am using a Knit Pro 5mm interchangeable hook, and the mesh stitch needs an odd multiple, an odd count. So now I don't know what I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 I'm going for, and I'm going straight in onto the back bumps. One thing you must always do with Tunisian is count. They say it is important in any yarny project that you count. Tunisian, you really, really need to count. Count often, count twice, count. If you can count, you'll be fine. This is a fairly easy stitch to do, and I really hope you'll give it a go, give it a try. Makes for a really nice baby blanket, nice lightweight scarf. Whatever you fancy. So as I'm coming to the end, I am going to count because I want to double check. So I started with 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Now I'm going to do the return pass. So chaining 1, and then taking them all off 2 by 2. Again, link down below in the description is the first steps of Tunisian. If you're unsure how to do a base, just take a look, and then you can come and meet us back up. Okay, I have my base. So now it is a 1 row repeat after this next row. So with Tunisian, almost always the one on your hook counts as your first stitch. That is your first stitch, and we tend to ignore it unless the pattern tells you don't ignore it, which is very rare. We're ignoring it this time, and we are working in these posts. I really, really hope you can see that. I will zoom in. These posts are what we're working in. So we are going to yarn over, and we are going to skip that first post, which is just there. So we're ignoring the one that the hook is on, and we're ignoring that first post, and we are going to go through the second post. Yarn over, pull through 1, and keep on your hook. Yarn over, skip the next post, go to the next, under that post, yarn over, pull through, keep on your hook. Yarn over, skip, go into the next, yarn over, pull through, keep on your hook. Yarn over, skip, go into the next, yarn over, pull through. All the way along. Yarn over, skip, through, yarn over, pull right through. Yarn over, skip, through, yarn over, pull through. Now, we've got 2 left on the hook here, so we're counting just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 left. Yarn over, skip, and go into the last stitch, which you always must make sure it is not just that front post, but you go right through, you turn it, and you go through the back as well. So you've actually got, in theory, 2 stitches on your hook, but it's actually the full stitch. Yarn over and pull through. So we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 on the hook. And we do the standard return pass. Chaining 1 and then removal of 2 at a time. Always love doing the return pass. Can you see my stitch markers? They're for sale. Any colour you like, you just got to let me know in email. Always a community post to give you the prices. So there is our first mesh stitch. From now on, everything is repeated. So this is now a 1 row repeat. Yarn over, and you will see that one particular post all the way along is pronounced. Pronounced, 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 etc. It's that one that we're going into all the way along. If you're unsure, it literally follows from the bottom. You're just continuing. So there's no skipping as such. You just yarn over and you go through the pronounced stitch. Yarn over, through the pronounced. Yarn over, through the pronounced. Yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over and through, yarn over, pull through. Now I'm counting. Remember, count, count, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yarn over into the end. And I didn't quite catch the back. So let's try that one again. Human error. And now we're counting again because I've got a feeling I just might have missed one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I didn't, thank goodness for that. Okay, we are doing our return pass. So we're going all the way back to the beginning. And apparently my yarn bath wants to join in. Look, this is a bad thing. This is a bad thing. Oh, heck. Life. It happens, you know. Okay, return pass, return pass, return pass, return pass. I'm getting all tangled. Return pass, return pass. So let's do one more with you. This is so far. Yarn over, ignore that initial one. Go into the pronounced post only. Yarn over, pull through. So you'll see when you hold it open, you have one particular line going all the way through, and that is the one you are looking at. That's the one you're looking for. That's the one you're working with. Yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, whoops, through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through, and because I've got another one, I'm counting to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yarn over and go into that corner, as it were, front and back. Yarn over, pull through, count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 on our hook. This is the back, and this is the front. So I'll just go do the return pass, and that will be that. You carry on as long as you need to carry on, as long as you want to carry on, and it works very, very well in between simple stitch. If you started with simple stitch and then went into the mesh, or went from the mesh into the simple stitch, it works really well. But remember, it's odd numbers. So, let's get a stitch marker in this baby, huh? Something nice and contrasting. And there we have the mesh stitch for Tunisian. I hope it's been of some use to you. If it has, please make sure you give a thumbs up, and maybe even stay around a little bit longer by subscribing down below near that thumbs up. And remember, we have a 2K giveaway going on right now. 200 Great British Pounds is the prize up for grabs. You got to be in it to win it, and you must be public. The link for that will be at the end of this video. Look out for it, and I'll look out for you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.